Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is SolidWorks practice exercise tutorial number 2 for beginners that exercises various tools and features of SolidWorks. This is a sketch given in the left side of the screen. We will see how can we prepare the CAD model of this sketch by using SolidWorks tools in very quick time. So let's start. First of all, we will select a plane. So just select top plane, make it normal to. First of all, we will draw the hexagon of this sketch. For this, go to sketch, select polygon from here, keep the number of sides 6 and draw a polygon. Press escape button. Go to smart dimension and provide the dimension to this polygon. According to the sketch, the dimension of each side is 36 mm. So just type 36, press enter. Now we will draw the inner circle. So just go to sketch, select circle from here and draw a circle like this. Again go to smart dimension, give the dimension of this circle. The dia according to the sketch is 48 mm. So just type 48, press enter. Just ignore this construction circle or you can delete this also. Now go to features, select extrude boss from here and provide the third dimension. According to figure, the height of this polygon is 75 mm. So just type 75 here, press enter. Click on OK. Now we will move forward to the second part of this sketch. So for this, first of all select front plane, make it normal to, go to sketch, select midpoint line from here, select midpoint line from here and draw a line like this. Press escape button. Go to smart dimension and give the dimension of this line 54 mm. Again draw some more lines and complete this sketch. This will prepare a rectangle here and the height of this rectangle according to figure is 30 mm. So just type 30, enter. Again go to features, select extruded boss. As given in figure, the distance of this object from this edge of polygon is 105 mm. So just type 105 here, press enter. Click on OK. Now select the front face of this sketch, right click and make it normal to. Again draw some sketch here. First of all go to sketch, select a midpoint line from here and draw a midline. Press escape. Right click on center of this line and make it fixed. Now go to smart dimensioning. Give the dimension to this line which is 36 mm. Again draw some lines. Go to smart dimensioning and provide the dimension 18 mm according to figure. Then go to features, select extruded cut. Since the length of this cut is not specified in the sketch, Let this distance be 60 mm. Click OK. Now select this side face and make it normal too. Again draw some line, go to sketch, select line from here and draw some lines here. Let this angle be 45 degree. Click OK. Then go to features, select extruded cut. This is going to be a blind cut. Select OK. One thing we have mistaken is we have made a throughout cylindrical cut inside this polygon block. But in the figure, it was cut up to 20 mm height only. Remaining 55 mm was solid. So we can make reverse of it. Just select this surface. Make it normal too. Go to sketch. Select circle from here and draw a circle of diameter 48 mm. Click OK. Go to feature. Select extruded boss. Change the direction and in place of sketch plane, select offset. Put the offset distance 20 mm. It is again offsetting in wrong direction, so just change the direction like this. And in distance put 55 mm. Click OK. Now the cylindrical cut is up to 20 mm only. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.